Assalamu alaikum class 2. Today our topic is multiplication, and today we will deal page number 68-69. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do multiplication, learn tables. So let's start our lesson. First I'm going to do page number 68, multiplication. Students, do you remember addition? We see that there are 4 sets of 2. We can write it like this: 4 2s are 8. Now I'm going to do question number 1 of page 68. The question is, complete the following. One has been done for you. Look, in this picture there are 3 sets of 3. 3 sets of 3 is equal to 9. Or we can write it like this: 3 3s are 9. Now there are 4 sets of 5. 4 sets of 5 is equal to 20. Now we can write it like this: 4 5s are 20. Now there are 5 sets of 2. 5 sets of 2 is equal to 10, and we can write it like this: 5 2s are 10. Now there are 3 sets of 9. 3 sets of 9 is equal to 27. Now write it like this: 3 9s are 27. Now 5 sets of 6. 5 sets of 6 is equal to 30. Now write it like this: 5 6 are 30. Now I'm going to do page number 69. Question number 2. Solve these word problems. The first one is, there are 6 flowers pots. Each flower pot has 4 flowers. So how many flowers are there altogether? So let's find out. 6 flower pots and 4 flowers in each pot. So how many altogether? 4 6 are 24. So we write 4 in 1's column and 2 in 10's column. That means there are 24 flowers altogether. The next one is, Aslam has 8 bowls with 7 goldfish. In each bowl, there are 7 goldfishes. So how many are there altogether? Let's find. 8 bowls with 7 goldfish. So how many altogether? 7 8s are 56. 56 means 5 10s, 6 1s. So we write 6 in 1's column and write 5 in 10's column. That means there are 56 fishes altogether. The next is 7 jackets are hanging in a shop. Each jacket has 6 buttons. How many buttons in all? Let's find. 7 jackets and 6 buttons on each jacket. So how many buttons in all? 6 sevens are 42. That means 42 buttons in all. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 68 and 69 on your book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.